I remember that day well. I was on my phone seeing the nice comments of my followers. I split the sound of knocking on the door. I thought my brother was back from his part-time job as a police assistant. I went to open the door. And what I saw was a cute little girl. She told me that I was alone at home. I said no, I am with my family. And the girl said, "Are you lying?" I answered with horror, "Yes, sorry, I am alone." The girl looked in and said, "No, I am the one who should apologize. There is someone with you." I looked back, afraid. But there is no one. I looked at the girl but me. I have seen. The girl disappeared. I felt so scared. And I went inside. I sat in my dark room, afraid. I heard the door knocking. I did not dare to open it. So I took my phone and called my brother, and he said, "Open the door." I felt safe, and I went to open the door. But on my way, I saw the same girl. You look at me in a terrifying way. I ran to my room, screaming. I didn't call my brother, I called the police. Until they believed me, I said that there is a criminal with a weapon in my house. They told me, "Keep calm." I heard the door knocking, but it was my room door. I hid under my bed and try not to breathe. I heard a voice say, "I want to play." I didn't stop screaming as she looked at me. I heard the police alarm. "But it is still there?" Then she said,